In this video, I'll show you how to make fresh blueberry thyme jam as a small batch. Very easy to make and it's oh so good. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. And here's the ingredients. So for this small batch, we'll use 18 ounces of fresh blueberries, 6 ounces from each container, along with 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, half of a lemon's juice, 1 tablespoon of water, and half cup of sugar, and a sanitized jar to place it in. In a small sauce pot, add 1 tablespoon of water, half of a lemon's juice, half cup of sugar, and the 2 sprigs fresh thyme, and bring to a high heat boil and mix. Then add in all the fresh blueberries and continue to stir all the ingredients together. The juice from the blueberry will slowly release. When it reaches a vigorous boil and starts to bubble, we'll bring the heat down to medium-low. Now turning the heat from high to medium-low. From this point, I'm going to use a spatula and stir occasionally for about 20 minutes. Always scraping the jam at the bottom of the pot so the jam does not burn. You'll slowly notice the jam start to thicken. You'll want to lose about 1/3 of its liquid. We want the jam to become heavy, thick. You'll also be able to tell when thicker jam starts to stick to your spatula. Then it's ready. Now I'll just remove the leftover thyme stems. And from here, you can pour the jam into a sanitized jar. As you see, this amount makes about half of a mason jar. And there you have fresh blueberry thyme jam. Very simple and easy to make. Now if you want to make a larger batch, just simply multiply the recipe ingredients. I'll have it listed in the product description below. But just to give you an idea, I was able to make 4 large sandwiches with this amount. Alright, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and aloha.